Let's take a look at the blog tool here within the system. In order to access the blog tool, you can use the search bar and begin typing blog, and then it will give you the navigation item for the blog. Blog tool, when you're first beginning, is going to have nothing in the interface, and you'll be able to click the plus sign to create a new blog. You can then give that blog a URL, and then you can choose whether your blog is going to include any of the following feeds. Then you'll just click Create. Once you have your new blog, you can go to the 3 dots to view this blog. If there are any shared articles from your company blog, you'll be able to see those here in the blog from the very beginning. If you go back to the 3 dots, you'll then be able to click Manage. This is where you're able to add new articles to the blog. By clicking the plus sign, you'll be able to create a new article. You can give it a title. You can choose a link for this article. You can give it a meta title and a meta description, which will enhance its SEO value. You can give this blog a thumbnail, an overview caption. You can choose to share the article, show this article on your team's agents' blogs. And you can choose for Facebook comments to click on, which will provide a Facebook comment section at the bottom of this article. Then you'll put your article entirely in this box. You can choose when you're going to be making this article available, if you want to make it available at a future date. And then you can save it as a draft if it's not quite done yet, or you can publish this article. Once you have a new article in the system, you'll be able to see the article name, the language that it's in, when it was created, and when it was published. And then you can use the 3 dots here to view this article, to unpublish the article, to edit it, or to delete this article. You can also add categories to your blog, and you're able to add the categories here. You'll just add a category, and then you'll click Save. And now you have a new category that you can create blogs under. The Tags section allows you to create tags to help users find content that they're looking for inside of your blog. You'll go to the plus sign here and begin adding a tag. And then you can assign this tag to articles in the system. And then when you create articles, you can add this tag onto that article so that those articles are connected. By clicking the 3 dots, you can then view those articles, you can edit the tag, or you can delete this tag from the system. You can add new authors onto your blog if you'd like to. You can configure inbound and outbound feeds for this blog. By clicking the plus sign, you can create an inbound feed or an outbound feed, and then your feeds will appear here and you're able to edit them. You can monitor the subscribers of this blog. You'll see a list here of any customers that are currently subscribed, and you can see the unsubscribed people from this blog as well. By clicking the plus sign, you can choose to subscribe certain groups inside of your CRM to your blog. And then you can also see a history of subscription for who has been and hasn't been subscribed in the past. The last option here is your settings. You can change your blog title here, as well as the domain that that blog is under. You can choose a new template for your blog. And then you can sift through the remaining settings here on this page to give your blog the exact look that you want it to have. In order to make sure that your blog is appearing on your website, you will want to go to the Pages system. And then you'll want to find your blog page on the right-hand side. Here we see My New Blog. And we're going to drag and drop that page over on the left-hand side. Now, once we see that the navigation has saved successfully, we'll look at the website. And we can now see that that blog is in my navigation. If I click on that blog, it's going to take me right to my blog page. Blogs are a great way to stay connected with your customers and give them great content that's relevant in today's current market or in today's current world. Have fun with our blog tool.